Good morning. Welcome to the Linux 2 minutes session. In this session, we will try to see important aspects about what is Linux, why organization uses Linux, who uses Linux, and so on. So, what is Linux? Linux is an open source operating system software which was introduced by Linus Torvald in 1991. So now we are enjoying 25 plus years of Linux in the market. So it is a well matured operating system. Why organization goes for Linux? There are various good reasons. It's secure and reliable. It's a stable operating system. It's a complete open source under the Apache GPL 2.0, that is a general public license, and it is a free operating system. That means you can download without any cost and you can use it. Then who uses Linux? What application it does supports? Linux is used by many renowned organizations such as Google, Facebook, and so on. Why they use Linux? Because they want to support the customers and they want some applications need to be run on top of Linux. For example, Apache servers, Oracle database, Tomcat, Java, proxy servers, email servers, and many more. Now, why you should learn Linux? Very simple. As these organizations are using Linux, so you want to join in that organization, help the organization, and build the necessary stuff. But the ultimate result is that you need to get a better job. That's simple. So our course is designed to get you the job in the area of Linux. Then what you should learn inside the Linux? Very simple. Installation and configuration, user management, network management, troubleshooting, and so on. Who can learn Linux? Anyone who want to grow in IT, organizations as an IT operations person, anyone who has a basic computer knowledge and want to dive into Linux administration, cloud engineering, DevOps engineering, and so on, then Linux is the must. Linux is the base for all. What next? If you are interested to know more about Linux, please watch our 10 minutes Linux introduction video, or you can contact us now on the given number. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.